Hello. Today we are going to trace a line. Tracing means drawing on the line. Watch me. Start. Go. Stop. Now let's try doing it together. You can do it. Hold the crayon. Finger on the start dot. Go on the line. Stop. That was good tracing. You followed the line well. Let's do it again. Start. Go. Stop. Nice job. You are working very hard today. Ready? Start at the dot. Slowly go on the line. Stop. Great work. I am so proud of your effort. Keep on the line. Go, go. Stop. Super tracing. You are keeping right on the line. Last line. Start. Go. Stop. Amazing. You traced 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are learning to write. High five. See you next time. Keep up the great practice.